layer and applications layer. And in perception node and perception network, there are the RFID security, WHN security, and RSN security. And after that, in network layer, access network, there are the ad hoc security, GPRS security, Wi-Fi security. And then in core network, there is the internet security. And in local area networks, security is also there. And in the top level, in applications support layer and IoT applications layer, there are the smart home security, remote medical security, and intelligent logistics security, etc. So, uh, to based on these requirements of these securities, there are several developments of security solutions are going on, and the main aims are to preserve the privacy, confidentiality, and ensuring that the security of the users, and to guarantee the availability of the service offered by an IoT systems. So to countermeasure this, we have that the authentication, trust management, encryption, secure routing, and in addition to that, other some new technologies. So next thing is that the authentications. So basically, as I already discussed, using that the authentications, we are normally authenticating the IoT nodes to the server. So there are several options are available. One is that the asymmetric crypto systems. This is very common. In asymmetric key crypto systems, we have that the two key pairs. One is the public key, and other one is the private key. The public key is remain public to all, so anyone can use that the public key to encipher or encrypt the content, and the private key kept secret to the owner, and he or she will use that private key to decipher it. Another one is that the symmetric crypto system, where the same key negotiated between the sender and the receiver is used to decipher encrypting and decrypting the message during transmission. And that the latest one is the hybrid protocol. So what is the main concept of the hybrid protocol is that since the asymmetric key crypto system and symmetric key crypto system, these two are very common, but there are some advantages. Each and every system has some advantages and at the same time some disadvantages. The symmetric crypto systems are computationally have the low computations, but at the same time the major drawbacks of the system is that there should some earlier negotiation of the secret key. So it should be some other way before initiating the communications in online mode. So that is the major drawbacks, but at the same time it has the advantages of the having the less computation overhead. Second thing is that the asymmetric crypto systems, it has that the higher computation overhead, but at the comparing to the symmetric crypto system. But at the same time, it has the advantages. It does not require any prior negotiation of the key. Whatever that the digital certificates is available